Yo, welcome back to Auto Ray's Garage, aka RG here, and today, god damn, I spilled fucking transmission fluid on this camera when I was changing out the lines, so it's still greasy. But that's besides the point. In this video here, we are replacing the water pump. Now, the reason we're replacing the water pump is because I think the bearing's bad. Now, as you saw in that clip, it was making some wobbly, weird noises. And I didn't know what that was, and then a lot of people, I sent the video out on the Facebook group, and a lot of people were saying it's the water pump. That's the common problem with these things, that the bearing in the water pump will, excuse me, burping, will wear out and cause that noise. So fortunately, we got to change the water pump, even though technically the water pump still works fine. And you can see it's got some wobbly play in it. I tried putting a new belt. This is a brand new belt. I put that on there and like crossed my fingers, and hopefully that will that was the problem. Obviously that wasn't the problem. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it with a brand new water pump here. I got this from O'Reilly's. If you will focus. And it don't want to focus. Okay, I got this from O'Reilly's. I didn't want to order one and wait. I want to get this car on the road. So, yeah, we went and bought this. Lifetime warranty, though. So, I guess that's clear. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing off. This is a non-AC car, non-power steering. So, the belt is only wrapped around the alternator, the pump, and the harmonic balancer. Let's get this thing off. Alright, so to remove the belt is real simple. Just loosen the bolt on the alternator bracket there. Where's my ratchet? Make sure I'm on the right way. And boom. You can spin. Let me get y'all some light. Doing that caused, now you can spin and move the alternator, slide it down, and then unwrap the belt. Here we go. Like I said, it's a brand new belt I just put on there. Now, remove the fans off of the pump or the pulley. Well, we got a problem. The bolt won't come all the way out because the radiator's in the way. So, we're going to take the radiator out. So let's go ahead and drain this radiator. It does have a little drain peacock thing at the bottom. So, let's see how much fluid we can catch in a pan. Alright, let's get under here. There goes a drain plug. Let's see if we can catch as much as we can. Oh, there we go. God damn it. Damn it. Yo, what the hell? Alright, now the coolant's all drained out. Let's go ahead and start removing the upper and lower hose. Spilling so much coolant on the ground. Oh man, why is there still so much coolant up? Alright, now that we got the hose off and spilled all the coolant on the ground, we can get ready to remove this radiator, and I'm thinking it might be just maybe 4 bolts. One there. Yeah, just there. Maybe 2 more at the bottom, I have to see, but we'll just take these out and see what's holding it on, if anything. Alright, with the radiator out, I can get the bolt out. And I can also... That almost fell. And with the radiator out, I can use power tools to get the rest of the bolt out. I guess I should have held that. Alright, got the fan here. Alright, so here's the water pump. Now it looks like there's a bolt there. I believe there should be 3 bolts. There's a bolt there, and I think there. So one there, one right here, somewhere there. Yeah, let's go ahead and get these taken off. Alright, so the water pump's off. We got it here. Now we got to take the this off, and this is for the heater hose that goes through the firewall. That's where that goes. So we got to take that off, put it on there, then we can put this water pump back on with the radiator, fan, and add coolant and bling the system. So let me get my wrench, take that thing off. Install this here. Alright, let's get this thing back on the car. Alright, so we got a gasket. I'm gonna put a little bit of gasket maker on here just so it can stick to the block. Nothing too crazy. definitely tell the difference. Before, I had some play. I ain't got nothing now. It was definitely the pump. Alright. Let's get the radiator back in here. Alright, now this thing sounds a lot better. No more clunkiness. Sounds really good. Struggling, I think it's about to run out of gas. I don't got much gas in there. So I'm gonna let this thing warm up, get up to temp. That'll be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. You can like, comment, subscribe. If you got any questions or any tips for me, just leave them down in the comment box below. I'll catch y'all next time.